Thank you for ordering a no-holes pool fence system. These videos will help you set up and install your fence. Let's start with what you will find in the packaging. You'll find the following items in your shipment. The no-holes pool fence system includes the Guardian Premier Line fence sections. The fence bases are used to anchor down your fence without having to drill into your decking. The D-end is added to fence bases and the beginning and end of each fence section. The pin guide nut, and the alignment plate are used to securely connect your fence bases together. The base plug to cap off the fence base once filled with water, and the spring-loaded hook and eyes connect the fence sections. And if you are installing the system in a wall-to-wall configuration, the hook and eyes will connect the system to the walls. Step 1. Plan your layout. Determine the fence layout that best suits your safety needs. Ensure all pool access points, such as doors, gates, or entryways, are properly enclosed. Look for flat, even surfaces, and maintain a safe distance from the edge of the pool. A minimum of 36 inches is recommended to give enough room inside the pool. Never place the bases right on the edge of the pool. Step 2. Lay out the bases. Place the bases on the ground to match the configuration of your fence sections. Each section of fence will correspond to a row of bases. For example, a 12-foot section of fence has 5 poles and will require 4 bases and 2 D-ends. Once you are happy with your layout and design, move to the next step. Step 3. Use the pin guides to connect the bases. Insert each pin guide into the ends of a base and secure it with the pin guide nut provided. Use the included alignment plate when joining 2 bases together at the beginning and end of each fence section. This ensures the bases won't separate between sections. Note: each pin guide holds only 1 fence pole. Step 4. Adjust the angles of the pin guides. Each pin guide contains 2 holes, each offering a slightly different angle. Use the hole with more angle where sections end and begin again, as well as when turning corners or navigating curves. This adds tension to the mesh and creates a tighter, more secure fence line. The angled hole should face in the direction of the curve, or when a section ends and a new one begins, they should be facing slightly towards the next section itself. Step 5. Tighten the pin guide nuts. Once you are satisfied with the alignment and angle of each pin guide, secure each pin guide by tightening down the pin guide nut. Double-check that each pin guide is secure before proceeding to the next step. Step 6. Fill bases with water and install fence panels. Partially fill each base to weigh them down before you install the fence to test the angles. Insert the fence poles into the pin guides and adjust as needed for proper tension and aesthetics. Once satisfied with the setup, completely fill each base with water to ensure full stability. Step 7. Secure the fence ends. Ensure that all fence sections are securely connected. If your fence ends at a wall or structure, rather than wrapping fully around the pool, use the hooks and eyes provided along with the proper wall mounts for your surface type. It's strongly recommended to use both top and bottom hooks and eyes when attaching the fence to a wall for added security and alignment. Step 8. Adjust the self-closing gate. If your installation includes a self-closing gate, make sure the latch functions properly and closes securely. Separate instructions for gate adjustment are included with your gate hardware kit. Refer to them for spring tension adjustments, latch alignment, and post leveling. This concludes the step-by-step instructions for installing your no-holes pool fence system. If you have any additional questions, please contact us at noholespoolfence.com.